Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Souder Motors. J-Lap with you, and today I have got a travel trailer toy hauler to show you. This is a 2016 Forest River Vengeance, model number 28V. We've got a garage in the back. It is 29 feet long. It can hold up to 3,300 pounds, making it 9,900 pounds fully loaded. We are going to open it up. We're going to show you the outside, then we're going to show you the inside. So, let's get to it. Alright guys, we're on the outside here. I am fighting wind, I'm fighting road noise, so I apologize. Hopefully you can hear me. Again, Forest River, 28V. We have the power awning, which I took in because it was too windy, but you got the power LED strip underneath there. Show you what we're working with here on tires. You got the aluminum wheels. Great tread on the tires, brand new. Up front, we've got some pass-through storage. Bed access right there. So lots of space for storage there, and then obviously the garage, there's a lot of space. This is solar ready, so with the ZAMP system, which you can buy the portable ZAMP solar panel and hook that right up. You got the front leveling system. One battery, there is enough space for another battery, as well as a rack for a generator if you would like it. We've got a power tongue jack, LP tanks, got our diamond plate on the bottom. Sorry for the wind. Here's our pass-through again on the other side. And then we've got our bunk windows, we've got our living space windows, we've got our refrigerator vents, water heater, docking station, outdoor shower. Again, aluminum wheels, a little bit of a better view over here. Great tread, 30 amp service on this trailer. And then we've got our vents for the back. And we've got our ramp, which can double as a deck. The railings are not included, but they are set up for the railings. And then obviously we've got our garage space. There is a canvas door that will fold down if you would like to keep the mosquitoes out, or it's a little bit chilly. That is the exterior. Let us enter the trailer. Alrighty, stepping up into the Vengeance. Again, I'm gonna shut this door. Pardon me. Alright, so again, this Vengeance is 29 feet long. Here's your view with the deck up. Again, ramp will go straight down. Got our canvas door up here, will fold down. Also, we've got blackout curtains for the windows. If you want to turn this into a bed, it is very easy. You take this and you fold it like that, put that foot down, and then on the other side you do the same thing, and then you've got a bed or two. Neat. Also, these will go up against the wall very quickly and easily. I don't know if I can do it with one hand, but I can try. There you go. And then there are straps, such as this one. And I can't do that one-handed, but that will secure it there. And then you will have real garage space and tie downs to put in whatever flavor toys you enjoy while camping or having a good time. So, there we go. To the left, we have our kitchen, oven, stove, sink, overhead cabinet space, good storage up there. Here's our tank reader, as well as our water pump and water heater switch. Now we've got a little bit more storage underneath here in our drawers. Metal runners, nice solid click, they're not going anywhere. 3-burner stove, oven is down. Oh, I am sorry, I said oven. What I meant was microwave oven. It is a convection microwave oven. Speed cook 50% faster. Dun dun dun. Sorry. Fridge freezer combo. Freezer. Fridge. Nor cold. Gas or electric. Auto. Up here, we've got a platform for our TV, which we don't really do anymore, but it's there. We've got a charging station, USB, 12 volt, then our cable hookups, plus an outlet. And then over here, we've got our fancy schmancy bunks, which is great to have. So, and then this is storage under here. So we've got, you could sleep 2 there very easily, 2 here, and then 2 in the back in the master, which we'll get to. I'd say you could probably even sleep 2 on an air mattress down here. That's just me. Got more overhead storage, always nice to have. Vents, important. Awning switch right here, as well as light switches, and then the thermostat is here in the hallway. Right, our bathroom. Now, we are a little bit higher than normal ceilings in these guys, which is great because you got a really big shower. Really tall shower is what I meant by that. Very nice as far as clearance goes there. Actually, for a smaller trailer, 29 feet, you got plenty of room in there. Toilet, sink, vanity, and medicine cabinet. Power vent in there as well. And then in the front we have our master bedroom. Queen bed, side wardrobe storage, overhead storage, TV hookups right there, TV mount right there. And then, like I was saying, from the pass-through, whoa, that was loud. I'm trying to help you out there. Got your under bed storage and access to the front. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our 2016 Forest River Vengeance 28V. If you folks have any questions about this camper, please give us a call at Souder Motors. Be happy to help you out. Thank you very much for watching. Have a fantastic day.